it is difficult to deal with humans, it is easier to coordinate with computers. Why? Because if computer has got a problem, it gives you a message. Okay, for example, if you are trying to upload a file and the computer memory is all full, it will say, I am overloaded. Okay, please delete some files. Okay, or computer is warm, completely hot, right? It will tell, okay, please shut down the computer and switch it on again. I have got new files, please update me. I have got a new software to work better. But what about humans? Okay, humans don't say anything. Okay, if humans are overloaded with work, okay, with this lockdown, let's say you are taking care of your family and you're working at the same time, and Vikas has got a small kid also to take care of, and you have got your studies and everything like that. What will happen? You will not probably give any kind of a error message, but what you will do, you will start getting irritated. Okay, you will start saying a lot of things which you should not say. Most of us, even we don't realize that we are overburdened, overstressed, sleep deprived. Okay, there's some outcome which keeps coming from ourselves without we realizing that we are going through a problematic time. Okay, let's give a warning message to people that, see, right now I am feeling sleepy, so please don't come near to me, I will bite. Okay, so let me sleep. Or maybe, for example, if you are, let's say, all the youngsters, let's say Kaushal is also a trainer, and Rishikesh, for example, he's also an aptitude trainer with Princeton Mania. So let's say Kaushal has got a crush in his office. Okay, Kaushal, I'm just joking. I know probably you might not have, or you have, I don't know. Okay, let's say Kaushal has got a crush in his office, and he wants to flirt with her, and he goes there and say, "Hey girl, I want to talk to you." Okay, and the girl says, "Okay, go to hell. I don't want to talk to you." Okay, so this is like these are the words which probably Kaushal will likely listen from a girl, or probably he will get to know when the girl will stop talking to you, or will start giving all kind of a angry reaction to him. Girl will never say that, sorry, we are not able to make connection with the server. Okay, so that's not a computer, right? So otherwise it will be easier for Kaushal to do it. Okay, if Abhilasha is going to talk to his boyfriend, whom I know who is he, and he approaches him and he is not in mood to talk, and he will not give any warning message, he will give something in return which Abhilasha will really, really hate. So that is why I say that it's very easy to talk to a computer than to a human. Now, unfortunately, you guys have selected this domain that you want to become humorous, okay, and you want to sound little funny, right? In that case, you'll need to deal with humans. You can't say that I'm going to make fun or I'm going to have fun with the computer. Okay, you can just play games only in that case. You can't do anything else. Okay, so in this case, what you will have to do, you'll have to understand the human psychology to an extent. Okay, that is what we will talk right now. Kaushal says that is why I like computer. So that's why Kaushal is going to marry Sophia, the computer, if you know. Okay. Now the thing is that I know all of you understand that it is very difficult to engage humans. Okay. But think about it right now. We don't know about computers, how do they think, or how they think, what the way we want them to think. But one thing is very clear, that none of the human, at least all the 26, 27 people right now in the discussion, if I ask this question, who doesn't want to be happy? Who doesn't want to feel happy? Okay, I rarely feel like somebody feels like that, he doesn't want to feel happy, then I know there's some real problem, right, with this person. In all the normal circumstances, each and every human would like to feel happy. Even if that person is a badass or if the person is a really good guy, in both the cases, both of them would like to be happy. Do you agree with me? Yes or no? Right? Yes, if you agree with me. If you don't agree with me, just write no, so that I know that you are awake and you are listening. All the guys from Kurdistan also, right? Yes, it's 9 a.m. for you guys. You must be awake by now. Okay, great. So everybody is agreeing with me. Okay, so everybody wants to be happy. What it means is that there's all the chances that if you are trying to create a light environment, if you are able to create a fun environment, happy environment, then people would like your company. People will love your company. Okay, that is given. So what trick we are talking about? That it is difficult to deal with human, accepted. But the trick to deal with human is that if you can create an environment around you which is light, which is happy, which is fun, then dealing with people would be easier for you because you have created that environment around you. I hope you are able to get some sense out of my talk, because I am making sense. If you're not getting it, you are nonsense. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, it's easier said than done. Okay, it's easier said than done. We say that being humorous is really good. People will feel very nice to be with you. But learning to be humorous or learning to be funny is not a joke. Okay, and first of all, being funny is not equal to being humorous. And this not equal to sign is specifically for all the aptitude trainers in this workshop and all the students in this workshop who are fond of mathematics. Okay, so being funny is not equal to being humorous. Okay, what is the difference between the two guys? This guy, he's a teacher's pet. Okay, he's teacher's pet. Teachers like him a lot. He feels comfortable only talking about his studies or his work, whatever he does. Okay? He is not a party life. He's not the life of a party. Okay, he's a nerd. In short, okay. In short, he's a nerd. Okay. What do you think? Can this guy be humorous? Just type yes or no, Y or N. Yes or no? Kaushik says yes. Okay. Okay, Kaushik, by the way, you are the most active person so far to reply to our emails and messages. Thanks for that. A few people are saying yes, a few people are saying no. Okay, let's discuss it. Okay, this is very interesting. Okay, Omji also says no. Okay, let's understand it. Because Omji and I, we had our tuition together in 10th or 12th, and now he's a professor in Kyrgyzstan. Okay, and I'm here in India. So look at this. If this guy says that I'm going to be a humorous person, okay, I'm going to be damn funny, how people will react to it? Oh, seriously? Oh, seriously, you are going to be humorous? I'm skeptical, okay? This is going to be the reaction like some of us are giving already, right? So it is very difficult to assume that people like a nerd who is so damn busy in his own world can be humorous, can be funny, okay? Now, the good news is that humor is a choice, is a skill, which Mr. Kelvin, the strong lion whisperer, or you can call that nerd Ajay, probably that nerd Ajay, both of them can be humorous, can become humorous, can include humor in their life. Okay, it is a choice. It's just like any skill set what we learn, you can also learn humor. Okay, and that is what this whole workshop is about.